Hey guys, if you like me are absolutely hanging out to do some entertaining, you might like these amazing gin cocktails that I'm going to show you how to make today. They're two total classics. There's the Gimlet and the Tom Collins, and they're brilliant to have in your repertoire. So we're just going to crack straight into it. For the Tom Collins, pour 50 ml of gin, 20 ml of simple syrup and 20 ml of lemon juice into a highball glass half filled with ice. Stir to combine, top with soda, give a quick final stir and serve with a lemon slice with a preserved or maraschino cherry. For the Gimlet, half fill a cocktail shaker with ice. Pour in 60 ml of gin, 20 ml of good lime cordial and 10 ml of fresh lime juice. Shake, then strain into a chilled cocktail glass. Garnish with a slice of lime to serve. For loads more amazing, quick, easy, stylish recipes, head to dish.co.nz.